What's up everybody, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be making Cannabis Kool Aid, so let's get into it. The ingredients to make your Cannabis Kool Aid would be 2 to 3 packs of Kool Aid. Next, you're going to need your sugar. We're going to be using 2 cups total. I'm going to be using 1.5 cup of white sugar and 1/2 cup of brown sugar. I'm going to be using a 1 gallon pitcher to make my Kool Aid. And the last ingredients to make our Cannabis Kool Aid would be your cannabis simple syrup. If you don't know how to make the cannabis simple syrup, no worry. I'm going to leave the link below. So the first thing I'm going to do is measure out my sugar. I just measured out 1 cup of sugar. So now what I'm going to do is take a bowl and put my 1 cup of sugar in that bowl. Now set the bowl to the side. Now I'm going to measure out 1 cup of sugar, but this time we're going to measure out 1/2 cup of white sugar and 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Alright guys, so once you measure out your 1 cup of sugar, put this to the side. And what we're going to do is get our pitcher and add your sugar to it. Now add your Kool Aid. Now mix your ingredients. Alright guys, so now what we're going to do is move this to the side. Turn your stove on high. Now we're going to measure out 2 cups of water. Put your pot on the stove and add the water. Once your water starts boiling, add your sugar. Let the water boil until your sugar is completely dissolved. Alright guys, my simple syrup is now done. So while your simple syrup is still hot, add it to the Kool Aid. Now mix everything together. So now what we're going to do is add some more water to our pitcher. So if you want to, you can use water out of the sink, but I'm going to be using spring water. Once you add your water to your pitcher, just mix everything together. Now I'm going to put this in the fridge for a few hours. Alright guys, so it's been about 5 hours. My Kool Aid is now cool. So now what we're going to do is infuse our Kool Aid using the cannabis simple syrup. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is measure out 1 cup of cannabis simple syrup. So now I'm going to add the simple syrup to my Kool-Aid. Now mix it together. Alright guys, my Cannabis Kool Aid is now done. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Peace.